Okay, I'm making this video in a response to a request as to how this trailer can have these dish pieces in the front and back, as well as how you can have studs on top and studs on bottom. So basically, on the front and the back, these pieces right here are an 8 by 6. Usually these are found in train roofs, and they've got Technic holes right there. And then the corresponding piece is the top part that has Technic holes here. I only put studs in the top because when you try and do the geometry between this set of holes and this set of holes, they don't quite line up to where this dish can fit inside of them. So the Technic pins will actually sit just inside this hole and this hole here, and it'll just affix back to the blue pins right in here. Also, when you clamshell this open, the secret of how this all kind of goes together is these two sections here and here. Okay, so basically what I've got here is a SNOT technique to where these red and white 2x6 plates, all of them face up. Okay, the next layer down, you have alternating pieces. This is a 2x6 and this is a 4x6. This is a couple of 1x6s with the hazard placards on it. And these and the ones at the end, here and here, also face up. But this section here actually faces down so that it will merge into this half of the clamshell, okay? Because you've got the female reciprocant here, and you'll have a female reciprocant on the top side. So you have to figure out how to turn the two of them through SNOT blocks to get a matching mate from side to side, okay? So I'm just going to take off one of the chunks here real quick if I can. Okay, so there's that. And you can see right there that that is just simply 2x6s. And this chunk right here that just came off of there is where all of our SNOT magic happens. So what we're going to do here, because you have to have it to where this chunk matches up and fits inside this clamshell disc portion right there. So what I've got here is a couple of 2x4 plates, followed by a 2x6 that has tile on one side and a tile matching on the other side. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3 in height, and we're basically creating a collar that slides and fits into. Okay, so now what that allows us to do is you've got studs facing down and you have studs facing up. Okay, so the studs facing up are just going to attach to these right here. There's 2 of the 4x1s, and those will correspond with these little tabs that kind of hang out right here and right here. And then the rest of our chunk will just sit right there and press it in place. Okay, and then this one and this one are actually the same, but this guy is missing his little top piece because it's sitting inside right here. But I assure you, once you put this actually back together, because of the way that SNOT technique works, that whole clamshell assembly goes just like that. And now you have your trailer. And I've got the discs. This is going to be pretty tough. I don't know if I'm actually going to... Oh, yep, that worked. Okay, so there's the front. Doesn't quite fill the hole right there, but it looks pretty good, and it's flush, which is the important part. Hope you liked the video.